Okay, we're here again with the Savage's top part of the gearbox. So, just playing with it yesterday, it blew my gear, like exploded, missing teeth. So I'm gonna make a short little video on repairing it. I've got stock one right here. Let's get into it. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I was on vacation. Promise I've got more stuff to do, more video time, and I have a two-wheel drive short course that I just broke just a day ago. So I'm playing with my trucks again, and broke the rear A-arm on the driver's side. Totally destroyed it. It's broken in 3 different spots. So that video will be out soon. Not the driving, the fixing, because I wasn't filming when I was driving it. And yeah, so got my new Spur gear here. There's that part on. Goes back on the truck. Oh, gotta put that bearing right in there. There we go. Now you put it on the car. The washer, like that. On. Then this spring. Then your nut. There we go. So, that's on. Here. I'll grab my short course and I'll show you what's broken, and then yeah. So, this truck is a Pro SE10, not the 2. It's the 1, and I broke my A-arm in 3 spots. So that will be a video up soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.